Hi everyone, in this video we will walk you through the necessary steps to follow for configuring a quality control rule. The accuracy of the data makes all the difference for your agency's operational stability. By having in place a specific set of rules with restrictions that will prevent your agents from adding invoices if mandatory criteria is not matched, will ensure a seamless quality control process. Regardless if you want the currency exchange to be performed at a certain rate or all relevant remarks to be filled in when issuing invoices, you can define these rules at the general level or add specific ones for each customer. Let's set up together a quality control rule to make sure that all the services for a certain customer will be invoiced in euro. Access the CRM section and tap on Quality Control. Add a new rule by clicking on the appropriate icon. First, you will have to define the filters that will be applied every time a selected entity is added or modified. If the filters are respected, then the restrictions will be enforced. Moving on with our example, we will name the rule to easily identify it and set the legal entity filter equal to the name of the customer. As restrictions, we will set the currency to be equal to euro. Now if we try and add an invoice for Star in a different currency, an error message will pop up, blocking us from finishing the task. Only after we will switch to euro, the process will complete successfully. And we are done! Thank you for watching!